The human eye is a biological masterpiece of light and focus. But for millions, that masterpiece is a blur. Why? Refractive defects occur when light fails to land precisely on the retina. In myopia or nearsightedness, you see close objects clearly, but distant ones fade because light converges too early, in front of the retina. Often caused by an elongated eyeball, we fix this using concave lenses to diverge light back to the retina. Hypermetropia is the opposite. Light lands behind the retina, making nearby tasks like reading nearly impossible. Usually due to a shortened eyeball, convex lenses provide the converging boost needed to hit the mark. But what about the inevitable fog of aging? That is presbyopia. Ciliary muscles weaken and the crystalline lens loses its flexibility. Convex or bifocal lenses restore that lost power of accommodation. Finally, astigmatism distorts both planes due to uneven curvature of the cornea or lens. The fix? Precisely crafted cylindrical lenses. Understanding optics isn't just about glasses. It's about reclaiming the clarity of our world. See clearly, follow the AI Biologist for more amazing science videos.